welcome back to the Wax Lair. My name's April. So today I have a really exciting haul for you. This is a Scentsy Club party that I closed out. Actually, closed out 2 parties, so I have a lot of goodies here. I think we're going to go ahead and start off with the non-wax items because I got some things I have been eyeing for a long time. So the first thing I picked up is new to the catalog this year, and that is a tabletop fan diffuser, and this one is in Dashing Denim. And I went ahead and I took it out of the package. You guys, I am actually super impressed with this one. There's the little USB cord that comes along with it, but you guys, this is ceramic. Can you hear that? It isn't plastic, it isn't cheap, it is beautiful, and you put your pods right inside. And I love this one. In fact, I love this one so much that I think I'm going to actually pick up the other one. I think it's called the Speckled Design. So I am super excited about that. I was a little disappointed with the mod warmers that came out. They were that cheap plastic feel, but this one, you guys, she's solid. Okay, another thing that I had been eyeing since last year, wanted it so bad, but it sold out, is the Cardinal Warmer. And I was able to snag this baby, and you guys, I am so happy. Look at how beautiful she is. I love that red color, her beautiful face. In fact, she's gonna go up now. She's going up today. I don't think I need to wait until Christmas time. I think, you know what? I think she's pretty all year long. Let me look to see if I can see how many watts she is. It always takes me forever to find it. Oh, I found it, 8 watts. Okay, you know, prefer hotter element warmers, but I do have several 8-watt elements and they perform really well for me. So she's got a nice dish as well, and she's so heavy and ceramic that I think she's gonna do just fine. Okay, something else that I was able to get my hands on, and I think they sold out. I want to say they're bringing them back if they're not even back already, and that is the Radiant Red Poinsettia flowers. I actually picked up 3 of them in a bundle. I did get all the same scent though. I picked up Vanilla Barnwood, and I've actually put one out already so I could show everybody. Just reach back right here so you guys can see just how pretty it is. Oh my goodness. So Vanilla Barnwood scent, because that is honestly the scent that I liked the most from the holiday collection that was available in the Poinsettia flowers. And it smells great. It smells just like the wax, nice and creamy vanilla, and it is so pretty. I really like this one. I know the Harvest ones sold out really fast. They brought them back and they were sold out like almost instantly again. So really pretty. I'm glad I was able to score those. And then to round out the non-wax and pod items, I picked up some bulbs because you know what? My warmers, all the bulbs just kind of like go out at the same time, but I guess that kind of makes sense. If you're putting them out at the same time, then all the bulbs kind of last a certain amount of time. I don't know. That's what I'm gonna go with. So see, this one I think is the 20-watt bulbs. Grabbed a 3-pack of those. Grabbed a 3-pack of 25-watt bulbs. And then I did get some specialty bulbs as well, like some extra special colors. And this one's the 15-watt, so that's just the clear. But okay. I'm trying to remember what colors I got. Looks like I got an orange 20-watt bulb. I wanted the pink, but I didn't see the pink. Maybe they didn't have those ones out yet. Another orange one, and is this another orange? So I guess I must have got a 3-pack of the orange colored bulbs. So now I'm going to take out my favorite stuff that I got, and that is the wax and the pods. Okay, so I grabbed myself a little cup of coffee, and this is in my favorite mug. I don't know, Tears of My Enemies. I love them. It's funny because Ed and I were talking about like one of her videos, and she had like some amazing coffee, And this is in honor of you. It's probably not as good as what you have, but I'm enjoying my coffee. Okay, so now for my wax bars I picked up, I've got this bin, and then I've got this bin. Yes, I was super lucky to have lots of rewards, and yeah, let's start talking about it. So I picked up a 6-pack of Rum Pum Plum. This was in the holiday collection. And the scent notes are sweet plum jam, vanilla sugar, flaky pie crust, and you guys, I freaking love this bar. Woo! It's not a Scentsy video unless you drop something. I always say that. Oh, this is so good. I really do get like the sweet plum jam. And it's not just plum, it is literally plum jam. Ooey gooey rich, sticky sweet. So yummy. Vanilla sugar, yes, because there's a little bit of creaminess to the scent. And then the flaky pie crust, I do get that. If anything, I would wish maybe that was bumped up just a little bit more because I do love flaky pie crust scents. But honestly, you guys, I think Scentsy had a home run with this one. Love it. She is going in my Scentsy Club. I also picked up 6 bars of Cherries Jubilee. Again, another scent that I would almost classify, I think, as a bakery, fruity bakery scent. So the scent notes are black cherry, raspberry, and zesty lemon. And I really like this one, you guys. Oh, the cherry is delicious. It says black cherry. I don't know if I really think it's black cherry. It's just like cherries that you would put in a cherry pie. So yummy, sweet, juicy, rich, vibrant. This reminds me so much of red, white, and berry pie, which I am so sad I did not club. But you guys, I think this is going to fill the spot in my heart for that scent. And for that reason, she is going in my Scentsy Club too. Another one from the holiday collection that I picked up, should be no surprise to anybody, is Vanilla Barnwood. I went ahead and I picked up 6 bars of that. And the scent notes are Barnwood, creamy vanilla, and rich amber. And yes, I get all of those scents. Barnwood, I don't know, is that a kind of wood scent? I don't know, but I like it. It's not too heavy, it's light, it's airy. And then the creamy vanilla and the rich amber just make this a beautiful, sexy, sophisticated scent. Oh, it's so nice. I really like this one. That's why I got them in the fragrance flowers as well. Yes, this baby is in my Scentsy Club too. And now some oldies but goodies. I picked up 3 of my favorite Winterberry Apple Tea. And the scent notes are cranberry, apple, and honey, and winter tea. And it is in the fruity category. And I love this one. I would almost say this could be on the verge of a bakery scent as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? Fruity or bakery for Winterberry Apple Tea? See if I can pop it out. There we go. Oh, it's so good. It's sweet, it's cozy, it's warm, it's fruity, but in my opinion, a little bakery. I love this one. It's a fabulous performer. It goes for a couple days in my house and I smell it so well. Love this one. Goes in my club at the end of every season because I would be heartbroken if I could not get that bar again. Okay, this one I was so scared was not going to come back to the catalog, but she did, and that is Silver Bells. Picked up 3 bars, and the scent notes are mint candies, winter pear, caramel, and vanilla sugar. And this one is in the fresh category. Again, is it a fresh scent or is it bakery? I don't know, you tell me. I think it could be in the bakery category. It's sweet, it's sugary, it's delicious. I just want to cuddle up to a warm blanket and just smell this all day long. It is really like the mint candies, like sweet peppermint candy. Winter pear, I don't know if I'm getting any pear per se, but again, there's some added sweetness to the scent. Vanilla sugar, absolutely, and caramel. Ever so slight, just kind of making it really creamy and delicious and special. It's a favorite, and she goes into my club at the end of every season as well. Okay, I picked up 2 of a scent that I have grown to love so much, and that is Arctic Kiss. And this one is in the fresh category. And the scent notes are Arctic Mint, Fresh Air, Vanilla Clouds. And to me, oh, This is just like a cool, sweet, refreshing scent. I hear a lot of people say that there's like some melon in the scent notes. It's not in the description, but I could see that being true. But I love this one. It's a great performer. And if I'm ever just feeling like I just need to freshen things up, this is my go-to scent. And honestly, I could warm that year round. Another favorite of mine is Cashmere and Corduroy. I picked up 2 bars. And this one is in the woods category, which I do agree with. And the scent notes are creamy vanilla, Sicilian bergamot, and cashmere sandalwood. And man, you guys, this is just pretty. When you think of like a beautiful, sexy, pretty scent, this is what I think of. Oh, it's so good. It's rich. It's beautiful. It's sweet. Again, creaminess coming in. Oh, it's so good. Love it one. Again, goes into my club at the end of every season. I have a feeling she'll be safe, but you know what? I don't trust Scentsy, so I keep her in there for safekeeping. And finally, for the scent wax bars I picked up is Apple Cherry Strudel. I picked up 2 bars, and the scent notes are Granny Smith Apple, Cherry, and Vanilla Drizzle. And you guys, I love this one. This is another scent that I was super concerned about not coming back, but she did. But this is like just, oh my gosh, the bottom is so good. The perfect blend of sweet apples, ripe, juicy, baked cherries, vanilla topping, and maybe some like, I don't know, I get almost like a streusel on top. Oh, it's so good. It's an okay performer. It's not great, but it does seem to linger and last a while. At least for me in my house, I would say I get at least 14 hours out of it. So to me, that's not that bad. But I love it. So good. She goes into my Scentsy Club at the end of every season as well. All right, I also picked up some pods, and should be no surprise the kind of pods that I picked up. I picked up 3 of the vanilla Barnwood, and in my opinion, this smells really, really similar to the wax. It smells pretty strong, so I'm excited to put these in my new air fan diffuser. Some new to the catalog pods are Silver Bells. I was so happy to see this one because I love it in wax. It smells just like the bar. So hopefully this will be a good performer. Sometimes pods are hit and miss. I try to stick with the scent pods that seem to last for a long time. So we'll see how that one goes. I picked up 2 new ones, Candy Cane Buttercream. I love, 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 love the scent in wax, but man, it is so light, so I wanted to give the pods a try. It smells really good, you guys. I don't know, this one might do better in pods than it does in wax. We'll see. Cross my fingers, because if it does, I'm gonna stock up on them because I really love that scent. I picked up 2 lemon drizzle cake. I don't know, this was new in there, and I was like, you know, let's try some new pod scents. And I like it. I like it in wax too. Some people don't like the violet sugar. I really don't get that. I just get like a fluffy lemon butter cake with some like lemon icing. I like it, so wanted to try that one in the pods. I got one of my oldie but goodie, Johnny Appleseed. Love this one. One of my favorite apple scents. Man, and she's a banger in the pods, so can't wait to put that one in. And then finally, I picked up 2 Velvet Moons, new in the pods this year. And I love this one in wax. And it smells really, really good in the pods too. So we'll see again if this one performs well for me in my mini fan diffuser or my air purifier. And if it does, I'm gonna do a little stock up on them. So that is it, you guys. That is what I picked up. I'm so excited that I was able to score some of my favorite things I've been wanting a long time, like my Cardinal Warmer, some delicious Scentsy bars, some pods, and that new tabletop fan diffuser. I love that one. If you guys picked one up, let me know in the comments below how it performs, because I think it is beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.